Google account sync error? Here are 10 proven fixes that actually work.
Google account sync error is one of the most common tech problems in 2026. Over 1.8 billion Gmail users could be affected. When sync breaks, your emails stop arriving, contacts disappear, and calendar events go missing. The free storage limit is just 15 gigabytes, and once it is full, sync stops completely.
Fix number 1. Check your internet connection and enable auto-sync. Open a browser and load any website. If it does not load, fix your connection first. Then go to Settings, Accounts, and make sure auto-sync data is turned on. This resolves most basic sync issues.
Fix number 2. Remove and re-add your Google account. This is the most effective fix because it resets your authentication token. On Android, go to Settings, Accounts, Google. Tap your account and remove it. Then, restart your phone and add the account back. Your data is safe in the cloud. This only resets the local connection.
Fix number 3. Fix your date and time settings. This is a critical hidden cause. Wrong device time causes SSL certificate failures, which blocks sync entirely. Go to Settings, System, Date, and Time. Turn off automatic time, set a wrong time, go home, come back, set the correct time, and turn automatic time back on.
Fix number 4. Clear cache and data. Corrupted cache in Gmail or Google Play services can break sync. Go to Settings, Apps, Gmail, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. This is safe and causes no data loss. Also, clear Google Play services cache. If needed, clear storage, but that erases drafts and signatures.
Fix number 5. Free up your Google storage. Your 15 gigabytes is shared across Gmail, Google Photos, and Google Drive. When it is full, emails bounce back and sync stops. Empty your trash and spam, delete large attachments, and remove unwanted photos. Check your usage at one.google.com/storage.
Fix number 6. Update your apps and Google Play services. Outdated apps are a leading cause of sync failures. Open the Play Store, go to Manage Apps, and update Gmail, Google Play services, and the Google app. Also, check for Android system updates.
Fix number 7. Disable battery optimization and allow background data. Aggressive battery savers kill background sync processes. Go to Settings, Apps, Gmail, Battery, and switch to unrestricted. Samsung, Xiaomi, and Huawei phones are the worst offenders. Also, enable Allow Background Data Usage for Gmail.
Fix number 8. Fix Chrome Sync on your desktop. If Chrome shows sync is paused, click Verify it is you and sign in again. If sync keeps turning off after you close Chrome, go to Settings, Privacy, Site Settings, and enable On-Device Site Data. This keeps sync permanently active.
Fix number 9. Check your VPN and firewall. VPNs and antivirus firewalls can block Google Sync endpoints. Temporarily disable your VPN and test sync. If it works, whitelist the domains google.com, googleapis.com, and gstatic.com in your VPN or firewall settings.
Fix number 10. Use the secret dialer code on Android. Open your phone app and dial ****checkin ###. That spells CHECKIN. You will see a notification saying check-in succeeded. This forces an instant Google account sync.
Now, let us understand why sync fails. Google Sync follows a path from your device through the internet to Google servers. If anything breaks along the way, sync stops. The main causes are network issues like VPNs, expired authentication tokens, wrong device time causing SSL failures, full storage hitting the 15 gigabyte limit, aggressive battery optimization, killing background processes, and corrupted cache data in Play services.
To prevent sync errors from happening again, always keep auto-sync enabled. Update your apps regularly. Use automatic date and time. Monitor your Google storage monthly. Keep at least 10 gigabytes of free device storage, and never disable background data for Google apps.
That covers everything you need to fix Google account sync errors. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.